World Superbike has a new team for next year, and that's the bike right there. And somebody correct me if is it by like BYE or B as in like BEE? The Bimota? I don't know. It's an Italian brand that I don't know about. Let's be honest here. I'm an American. What do I know? And they're apparently just very good. Now this is the Bimota chassis, but it's a Kawasaki ZX10RR motor, so it's not a fully Italian bike. Let's be honest here. They do the styling, and the Japanese build the power plant, which is probably a really safe way of doing it. But that is the KB998, and they are coming out with a bang. Bassani and Lowe's went 1-2 in the Jerez off season, whatever you want to call it, winter testing, and that's pretty good. For obviously Kawasaki's no newcomer to this. Like they've been around this for a very long time and obviously have been a very successful team. So not exactly the worst donor heart for that bike, but to come right out and be, 1 and 2, and yeah, it's a winter test. What can you say? It's not exactly the end all be all of things, but it's still a very good start. And personally, like I always say, I like World Superbike more than I like MotoGP or, well, I like superbike racing in general. I just think it's having all the bikes have their own characteristics, having the sound of the inline fours versus the V4s versus the cross plane. Everything has its own character. The Ducati single sided swing arms, the Yamaha just like growl. I just really like superbike racing because it's probably the closest you can get to, hey, this is a bike you can go not really buy, but if you want to feel like you're a racer, street Rossi, you can go buy an R1M and be, pretty close to what they have. And if you really want to spend a ton of money, you could probably buy a lot of the little parts and bits and everything. But honestly, I think it's cool. I'm really excited for this year of Superbike, obviously coming out of this year where Top Rack won first time for BMW. Is he going to come back and, repeat, or is Ducati coming back? Can Yamaha make a stand again? I don't know. I'm excited for this. Comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. Do you like superbike racing? Are you more of a off-road racing, dirt bike, whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.